So make sure you know your definitions. Then we looked at collecting like terms. So you have to know how to collect like terms by drawing them. Okay. So 5 cats plus 2 cats equals 7 cats. That's the main idea. If the terms are like, you can add them together. Make sure we're writing this down. Okay, these are good examples and analogies that we talk about. But if I have 5 cats and 2 dogs, I simply have 5 cats and 2 dogs. You can't put those together. The algebra and what we were doing in math. Well, x squareds, x's, and constants. Those are 3 different terms. So simply when you're collecting like terms, tell me how many you have. Don't put them together to form something new. Okay. So we're looking at x squareds, x's, and constants. And that's going to be leading us into adding. Okay. So for adding, you need to be able to draw it. Okay. So for adding with the brackets, you're going to draw. You draw the first, add the second, and cancel 0 pairs. Okay, so you're adding each piece of the second part. Okay, you're going to be doing a lot of that today. So you have to be able to draw it. So there's an example, 3x squared minus 10x plus 4, plus in brackets 6x squared plus 3x minus 10. So if we're not using, okay, so you have to be able to draw that. If we're not drawing it, you just drop your brackets and nothing changes. Okay, because it's addition, you add each piece, nothing changes. Where's this Sean sitting? Oh, you're at the back, okay. I saw you. Okay, so go ahead, add those together. Just tell me. Okay, so collect like terms, 9x squared minus 7x minus 6. Just putting them together, tell me how many there are. So remember, there's some 0 pairs, so you canceled out here. Okay. Good. Then we looked at subtracting. Okay. So subtracting with your brackets and also with your drawing. So with your brackets, you'll just change signs, which means you subtract each piece. For drawing, draw the first, subtract the second, add 0 pairs if needed. Okay, so example. There's a quick example. Write it down, give it a shot. Don't forget to change your sign. So after you correct your signs, you should get negative 6x squared plus 16x minus 9. Hands up if you got that. Okay, good. Be careful with that stuff. Fix your signs. So the last thing we did, well, you've seen some examples like this out of your textbook. Okay, so write this example down. What you have to do is fix your signs. This is kind of like a -1 that gets multiplied in. Okay, so you're going to multiply in to remove your brackets and then fix your signs. So please try this question based on your homework. Multiply in. Multiply in, your signs change. Now collect like terms. Go. Make sure you've collected like terms as well. Watch for your signs. Yeah, you move brackets by multiplying in, or you multiply in to remove brackets. Okay. Now you got to collect like terms.
Right.
There we go. Minus 10x squared plus 9x. Now, I can also do stuff like this. This is in your notes. Let's say x equals -2. So now I would say evaluate. if x equals negative 2. Okay. It'd be you put negative 2 in there and square it. Negative 2 times something squared plus 9 times something. So you substitute in negative 2.